Sunshine, Libby, pin me a ring with something golden, begin the day. I've no limits far and wide. Sunshine, Libby, at my side. Distant prospects bear in mind. Doubt and darkness left behind. Sunshine, Libby sheds her gleam, her fair image in the stream. All our seasons' pleasures yield, wildflower gardens, wood and field. Sassy weather, we don't mind. Warmth we gather from all we find. Rings may jingle, bells may chime, we'll make lively heart of winter time. What blue mountain lifts our gaze? Sunshine, Libby, clears the haze. Between two ridges lies our range. All wild creatures rise for the change. Beside our footprints, buck and doe have left their hoof marks in the snow. Sunshine, Libby,